Hello, my name is Graham King. I am the VP of Data and AI Governance here at Amino, and I'm joined by John Ferrioli, who's our COO Americas, and is also the product owner for the data migration package solution that we're going to be talking about. Welcome, John.
Hey, thanks, Graham. Thanks for having me.
So, straight into it, really, is what is the data migration package solution that Amino provide?
It's a great question. So right off the bat, we've noticed that getting a strategy and getting the methods and processes defined for complex data migration with new system implementations is often overlooked, and that's backed up by Gartner, that's backed up by multiple sources. And what we're trying to get to is accelerating the discovery, strategy, and planning activities to get a clear roadmap for that data migration, a defined project plan that addresses the data requirements. So effectively carving out the data track, understanding the complexities and the gotchas, and the effort. And we do this with clarity, a assigned statement of direction, and ultimately looking to mitigate risks by having everything in a single pane of glass to understand how we can accelerate and how we address the data track for that new system rollout.
Okay, excellent. And there's obviously it's valuable for clients. So what do you see the value in this for clients to be with this package solution?
Well, there's a lot behind it, and I think I touched on a few of them, but ultimately it's about acceleration, but it's absolutely about mitigating risk. When we look at what Gartner talks about with respect to risk in new project deployment, they say that 80% of organizations are going to underestimate the cost and complexity for data acquisition tasks at least by 50%. So 80% of the companies are going to have limits on their effectiveness, and we want to reverse that. We know it's a known issue. We know that Bloor says 80% of data migration projects run over time and over budget. Well, what that translates to is a very costly overrun, but effectiveness of the new deployment of your ERP, CRM, or new system is compromised, and it's often compromised by data. So in addition to the acceleration, the value prop is eliminating that risk, getting everybody on the same page so you can make the right decisions and run your business.
Excellent. And how does the data migration package solution, how does it actually do that? How does it achieve that?
So a couple of things we wanted to focus on based on past experience. One, rapidly define and clarify the data roadmap for migration. Absolutely critical. Who's doing what? Who's accountable? Who do we need to engage with and help the company move forward? That helps accelerate the system rollout because often the systems integrator partner doesn't address data other than a simple load. And that's where the risk comes in. So mitigating those risks associated with migration, providing guidance on an ongoing data integrity, and reusing assets for future governance. Some of those elements we incorporate into this accelerated solution and ultimately getting to accountability, mitigating risk, and accelerating the engagement.
Fantastic. So what should clients do if they're interested in this package solution? How do they go about engaging us?
So aminodata.com is a great place to find resources and information, and certainly just info@amino-data.com. And that is a great landing point. What we want to do is just share a wealth of experience, but also ideas, interrogate and understand where the company is at, and then help provide some clarity with aspects of the business process mapping, how we engage, what you should expect, so that you can move forward with confidence and get an accelerated data migration plan and discovery locked down so you can move forward. And contacting us at info@amino-data.com is probably the best way to reach us.
Fantastic. And we're also on LinkedIn as well. And we have our own YouTube channel at Amino Data. So please go there for any more information. Well, that's great. Thank you very much, John, for your time today. It's good to talk to you again. And thank you.
Thanks, Graham. Appreciate it.